What if you could access cross-reference diagnostic data, neuropsychological assessments, structural brain scans, and genetic samples in the same person? What if you could access this data in more than 2,000 people with schizophrenia and an age, gender and handedness matched control group? And what if this data was collected nationally, but you had access to it here in the Hunter? The Australian Schizophrenia Research Bank, otherwise known as the ASRB, was developed here in the Hunter for clinicians nationally. This resource holds a large volume of research data on people with schizophrenia and healthy controls that you, as a researcher, can access. Although many clinicians had access to patients in their services, numbers are often very small, and there are little or no funding available for clinicians to collect clinical data, neuropsychological assessments, or let alone MRI brain scans or genetic samples. Patients and families also want more research to occur in schizophrenia, and in 2006 they helped to secure government funding to establish the ASRB. The ASRB is located at the Mater Hospital in Newcastle, but is accessed by clinicians and researchers from across Australia and internationally, including the USA and Germany. People with schizophrenia and their families and non-patient controls are able to contact the ASRB using a toll-free 1800 number from anywhere in Australia. People are screened based on inclusion criteria and consent to participate in the ASRB at the time of the clinical assessment. Because many people with schizophrenia like to get involved in research, the ASRB has also established a schizophrenia patient register. People with schizophrenia and healthy controls enrol on the register so they can be contacted in future about other research opportunities. Patients are recruited from many resources. These can be inpatient and outpatient services, it can be community services, non-government community organisations, and the general public. Some of you will remember adverts for the ASRB with Russell Crowe's voiceover. The ASRB is a publicly accessible resource. You'll need prior ethics approval and to fill in the application form that you can obtain from our website. There are guidelines there to help you fill in the application form, and you can phone our office if you require more assistance.